Welcome to Dates with Dari. Today we are going to see how to make pesto pasta. Let me show you what kind of vegetables I'm going to add today. I'm adding half a cup of diced onion, 1 cup of diced zucchini, half a cup of diced green bell pepper, half a cup of cherry tomato, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of pasta. Cook the pasta according to the instruction on the box. Salt and pepper as needed. For making the pesto paste, I am taking quarter cup of basil leaf. I have used Thai basil but use the sweet basil variety. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, quarter cup of parmesan cheese, 8 to 10 pecan or 2 to 3 tablespoons of pine nuts, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper. Grind all the ingredients for the paste in a mixture jar, or you can use a mortar and pestle. Add some olive oil to a heated pan. Once the oil is hot, add the onion. Saute this for a minute. Then goes in the bell pepper, then zucchini. Adding a bit of salt will help the vegetable to sweat and bring out the water while it is cooking. Cover and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want the vegetables to be in a mushy side, so once the vegetable is a little softer, you can add in the tomato. I have added only less salt to the vegetables since we have already added salt to the pasta while it is cooking and also on the pesto paste. Then goes in the pasta. Mix well together. And add in your freshly made pesto paste. Gently mix everything together. If you prefer to have a creamier consistency, you can add a little bit more of cheese and pasta water. Pesto pasta is ready in no time. Grate some cheese over this herbalicious pasta and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this recipe. Please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.